Action.
There's no shortage of supermarkets in Greenland, and they're a good size, full of lots of stock, and you can get everything you want from all over the world. So let's go and get a look.
Here in Brugseni we have all the products that you can find, like you can find it all over the world. Most of the products we get by ship from Denmark, but some of the fresh fruits and milk is by plane. And some of the goods that we also try a lot to get local produced goods from the southern part of Greenland. That means a lot to us, and of course fish and local meat from the southern part of Greenland.
Brugseni started to work with CSR last year. We felt it was important to be a part of the development of Greenlandic society. One of our main focus areas are health and Greenlandic products. We think it's very important to be healthy, so in our commercial papers we show a lot of healthy products and healthy recipes to inspire people to be healthy. And of course we are very interested in selling Greenlandic products because we want to help Greenland, and we can do that by doing what we do best, sell products. The main reason we want to work with CSR is because we want to make a difference in Greenlandic society, and especially to show people that we're not just a grocery store that wants to sell products and have a profit. We want to make a difference in Greenlandic society by helping the country in developing.